Hello guys, Namaskar, I'm Ronit and welcome back to my channel The Bong Connection. Today I'm going to react to the official trailer of Jab Harry Met Sejal. And guys, this dropped like 4 hours ago and I'm a little late to do this, but now that I'm here, I'm doing it finally. I'm really excited about this movie, and they have finally released the long trailer which was finally awaited, and they have been teasing us with the mini trailers, and I wanted to actually watch the full trailer because though I really appreciate the marketing strategy, I really love the fact that they were showing little bits and parts and they were like teasing us, and I was excited, I was hyped, and finally they have released the trailer, so I cannot wait anymore. So without much further ado, let's see what the trailer is all about. In 3, 2, 1 and go.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
God.
ढोकला, ठेपला, दे फावड़ा खाना खाओ, बस मेरी जिंदगी तो जाओ.
He's a tour guide.
मेरी रिंग खो गई है.
रिंग?
अरे मेरी एंगेजमेंट हुई ना इस ट्रिप में, तो मेरे फियांसे ने जो मुझे रिंग दी थी वो गायब है.
आपकी फ्लाइट मिस हो जाएगी. You need
मुझे वो रिंग ढूंढनी है, वो लिए बिना मैं नहीं वापस जाऊंगी.
Need of guidance. Okay. I love this.
आपका नाम क्या है?
सेजल. सेजल का मतलब है.
बिल्कुल जरूरी नहीं है. सच्ची. मैं सेजल से चला लूँगा.
Actually I don't understand what's your problem, huh?
मेरा कैरेक्टर खराब है मैम.
मेरा ते हाई स्वा है.
मैं लड़कियों को गंदी नजर से देखता हूँ मैम. चीप चीप.
Oh my
तो
god.
तुमको ये प्रॉब्लम है नहीं, मुझे तो नहीं है. तुम चीप हो, गंदे आदमी हो, पर मैं तो नहीं हूँ ना गंदी औरत. I'm तो neat and clean.
Perfect.
पहली बार हो रहा है ना कि लड़की गले पड़ रही है और आप घबरा रहे हो. तू फ्लाइट पकड़ के वापस चली जा. ऐसे रिंग नहीं मिलने वाली तुझे, समझ रही?
ढूंढने से भगवान भी मिल जाता है.
मुझे तो नहीं मिला आज तक.
तुमने ढूंढा है क्या भगवान? ये तो मिल जाता. और जो मिला है शायद वही ढूंढा होगा, सोच के देखो.
नहीं, तुझे तो पक्का नहीं ढूंढ रहा था. देख सेजल, एक टाइम आएगा जब तुझे जाना होगा. मुड़कर नहीं देखना है पीछे.
मैं वो वाली औरत हुई नहीं जो अपने फियांसे को छोड़ के टूर गाइड के साथ भाग जाती है.
हंस ले. बाद में पता चलेगा तुझे.
Uh-oh. What's happening? This is getting intense.
हेलो, सत श्री अकाल, केम छो? मेरा नाम है
मजामा
यानी हरिंदर सिंह नेहरा. मैं यूरोप में एक टूर गाइड हूँ, पर फिलहाल मैं आपको गाइड करूंगा मेरी और सेजल की कहानी की तरफ. देखिए जब हैरी मेट सेजल के मिनी ट्रेल्स ऑन योर नियरेस्ट फोन, लैपटॉप, टैबलेट स्क्रीन्स. सब्सक्राइब टू अस नाउ.
Awesome. Okay. Actually, to be frank and fair, I actually knew what was going on with the film. I knew the story. Okay, whatever they gave us in the mini trailers, we saw that they actually stumbled upon each other on a particular thing. They actually started, stumbling upon each other. She is finding her engagement ring, and Shah Rukh Khan is helping her find the ring, and eventually they start liking each other and definitely fall in love, and they cannot part ways. And finally, when the time comes to part ways, they cannot because they're in love. And I've seen this like millions and trillions of times in every romantic comedy movie, and this is nothing new, to be frank. The thing which I'm excited about is how Imtiaz Ali treats this in his film, because to be frank, the main reason I'm going to watch this film is because of Imtiaz Ali, because of the things, the type of movies he makes. Tamasha, Jab We Met, Love Aajkal, all his movies were so different from each other, and though they were romantic comedies, essentially they were romantic comedies if you see the fact. but they were so different from each other. They had some unique moments in them. The way it was, the whole film was captured, the whole story was told was very different from each other, and that is the unique thing about Imtiaz Ali's films. That is the reason I love it. I love his films. Even Rockstar, you know, it was a rise and fall of a rock star, but still at the core, at the heart of the film, it was love and romance, which actually was the main point, you know. So yes, I'm looking forward to watching this film. I want to watch how Imtiaz is actually treating this film. To be frank, I don't have any kind of complaints if this is another romantic comedy film, because I love romantic comedy films. Yes, this is crazy, this is weird that a guy like me is actually interested in watching romantic comedy films, but I love each and every genre of movies. Depends on how it is treated, how the story is told, and it seems that the story is really told in a very smooth and very nice way in this film. And since it's the Imtiaz Ali film, this is definitely going to be a great film. The trailer is really nice. It didn't give away much, except for the fact that Shah Rukh Khan's character Harry will be having a transformation, you know, from being a playboy, he will actually transform into a good guy who will actually start understanding women, their hearts. And we have seen this in so many films before, but still I would love to see how Shah Rukh Khan treats it. You know, it's his charisma and charm which is really endearing and which will actually attract all the audience towards him. Anushka Sharma as Sejal is bang on. She's perfect, and her accent, her Gujarati accent, and the way she is, you know, playing the character, emoting and showing all the emotions is perfect. She has improved. She has come such a long way from her first film Band Baja Barat to this film. She has really grown, you know, developed, improved, and I'm really loving her as an actress. She's one of my favorite actresses, and I really would love to see what kind of chemistry she has with Shah Rukh Khan, because until now we can see that their chemistry is blazing hot. So yes, I'm interested, guys. That was my reaction to Jab Harry Met Sejal official trailer. If you guys liked it, then you know what to do. Put a thumbs up to this video. Comment down below your thoughts and suggestions about my reaction and this particular trailer. What are your expectations from the movie, and whether you agree with me or not. Your opinions might differ, you know. And please subscribe to my channel if you're a new viewer. I'll be seeing you again. Till then, ciao.